DJI Osmo Action 6 might just be the biggest game changer in the world of action cameras, and if the latest leaks and rumors are true, what DJI is about to release could completely redefine how we capture adventure, motion, and creativity. From the first wave of insider reports to tech leaks that surfaced across major camera forums, everything points to one thing. DJI is going all in, and this time, they're not just chasing GoPro. They're aiming to surpass it in every possible way. The most exciting part of all these leaks is the talk about a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, something that could completely change image quality standards in the action cam world. Bigger sensors mean better low-light shots, more dynamic range, richer colors, and a more cinematic look that makes even the toughest outdoor conditions look stunning. Imagine recording a night hike through a forest, your mountain biking adventures at dusk, or deep-sea dives where the light barely reaches, and still getting crystal clear, noise-free footage. That's the level of performance people are expecting from the DJI Osmo Action 6, and that's exactly why the internet is buzzing. But this new sensor is only the beginning, because another shocking leak suggests the Osmo Action 6 might come with full 8K video recording capability. That's right, 8K at 30 frames per second. For anyone serious about videography, that's a massive step up. 8K means you can crop, zoom, and reframe your shots in post without losing any detail. Combine that with rumored 4K at 120 FPS or even 1080p at 240 FPS for silky smooth slow motion, and you're looking at one of the most powerful video specs ever seen in a compact, rugged body. But of course, power like this generates heat, and DJI seems to be addressing that too with reports of an advanced graphene cooling system designed to manage temperature during intense, long-duration recording sessions. No more overheating warnings, no more shutoffs halfway through your perfect take, just pure, uninterrupted creativity. Now, when it comes to stabilization, DJI's Rocksteady has already proven itself to be one of the most advanced systems on the market. But according to multiple leaks, the Osmo Action 6 will introduce Rocksteady 4.0, featuring AI-assisted motion prediction. That means the camera doesn't just react to shakes, it predicts them before they happen. Picture yourself skiing down a steep mountain, running through a city, or skydiving through the clouds. The footage will stay horizon level and incredibly smooth, even if the camera rotates or tilts completely. Some sources even hint that the Action 6 could feature full 360-degree horizon balancing, meaning no matter how wild your movements get, the footage remains perfectly level and steady. It's like having a gimbal built directly into the camera, only smarter. And this isn't just stabilization. It's intelligent motion control that could set a new benchmark for the entire industry. Then there's the rumor about AI Smart View framing, which automatically tracks and centers your subject in real time, making solo content creation effortless. Whether you're vlogging, recording workouts, or documenting travel adventures, the Osmo Action 6 might handle framing and stabilization automatically so you can focus on the experience, not the equipment. But it doesn't stop there. The leaks get even more futuristic when we talk about smartwatch integration. DJI might be planning something groundbreaking, full compatibility with Apple Watch and Garmin devices. Imagine controlling your camera directly from your wrist, starting or stopping a recording, switching modes, or even seeing live stats like heart rate, speed, and altitude overlaid on your footage. It's like combining an action camera and a fitness tracker into one connected ecosystem. For cyclists, runners, and adventure vloggers, that's huge. It means no more reaching for buttons mid-ride or fumbling with mounts. Everything you need is right there on your wrist. Design-wise, early renders and insider leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will keep DJI's rugged aesthetic, but with noticeable refinements. A larger lens housing for the new sensor, slightly curved edges for better grip, and a more premium matte finish. The body will likely remain waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, built tough to survive falls, dust, and extreme conditions. There's also speculation about a Pro Edition variant that includes improved cooling, expanded storage, and a larger battery. Speaking of battery, one of the strongest leaks suggests the Action 6 could pack a 1,850 mAh battery, an upgrade from the previous 1,070 mAh, delivering nearly 2 hours of continuous 4K shooting. Combine that with faster charging that reportedly reaches 80% in under 20 minutes, and you've got a camera ready for constant use, no downtime. Another major leak is about storage, something creators have been begging for. The Osmo Action 6 might come with 64GB of built-in internal memory, in addition to the micro SD slot. That's a huge plus for those moments when you forget your card. The new model is also rumored to feature upgraded Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, which means faster wireless transfers, more stable connections, and even potential support for direct cloud uploads, letting creators instantly share their footage without needing to plug in. Now imagine recording your footage in the wild and having it automatically back up to your cloud. That's next-level convenience for digital nomads and daily vloggers. So when can we expect to see it? According to multiple credible reports, DJI is targeting a late October 2025 launch. That's right, it's closer than you think. Some say it'll be a low-key online reveal, while others predict a surprise drop, similar to how DJI launched the Osmo Pocket series. Pricing rumors place it somewhere between $399 and $449, depending on whether there's a base and pro model. Considering everything it's rumored to include, 8K video, a 1-inch sensor, next-gen stabilization, and AI smarts, that's actually a solid deal compared to its competitors. The GoPro Hero 13 might be shaking right now because DJI seems ready to push boundaries once again, and speaking of boundaries and another whisper in the yay, rumor mill talks about a potential AI editing companion within the DJI Mimo app, capable of auto-generating short cinematic edits from your footage using AI scene detection and music syncing. That means even beginners could shoot, upload, and share professional-looking clips within minutes without touching a computer. Pair that with D-Log-M color profile support, which offers more flexibility in post-production for color grading, and we're looking at a serious tool for both casual creators and professional filmmakers alike. DJI's color science has always stood out, vibrant, natural, and crisp, and with this new update, your footage might just look Netflix grade straight out of the camera. Now, let's talk about what this means for the competition. For years, GoPro has dominated the action camera space, but DJI's aggressive innovation might just end that reign. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a spec bump. It's an ecosystem move. DJI wants to own the creative space, from drones to gimbals to pocket cameras, and now action cams. If this device launches with even half the rumored features, it'll completely shift the market. The combination of intelligent stabilization, AI-assisted features, 8K video, and wearable integration could make it the ultimate creator's companion. Of course, not everything is confirmed. These are leaks and rumors after all. Some of the features like 8K video or 360-degree horizon leveling might be limited in the final model. Heat management is always a big challenge for compact cameras, and even with graphene cooling, real-world performance will matter. But one thing is certain, DJI has a track record of delivering high-quality, feature-packed gear that just works. And with their experience in drones, camera sensors, and stabilization tech, they're more than capable of turning these rumors into reality. So picture this. You're holding a small, rugged camera capable of 8K detail, 4K slow motion, and AI stabilization that predicts your movement before it happens. You're biking down a mountain, diving into the ocean, or capturing city lights at midnight, and your footage looks like it came out of a Hollywood studio. That's the future DJI seems ready to deliver. It's not just about specs. It's about giving creators the power to tell better stories anywhere, anytime, and as we inch closer to launch day, the excitement keeps building. DJI fans, tech reviewers, and adventure filmmakers are all asking the same question. Can the Osmo Action 6 really outperform the GoPro Hero 13? Can it deliver on all the hype? Well, if even half these leaks are real, the answer might just be a big, cinematic yes. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be not just a camera, but a revolution in how creators capture motion, emotion, and moments that matter. So as we wait for DJI's official announcement, one thing's for sure. The action camera wars are about to heat up like never before. And when the dust settles, we might look back at 2025 as the year DJI changed the game once again. If you're watching this right now, drop a comment below. Would you choose the Osmo Action 6 over the GoPro Hero 13 if all these rumors turn out to be true? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because when DJI finally unveils this beast, we'll break it all down for you, the real specs, the performance, the footage, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Until then, remember, the future of action cameras is closer than you think, and DJI might just be the one holding the key to it.